Well, what we did is we first went and wanted to see the suite of products they had, and within probably minutes, we were overwhelmed with them versus their competitors when it came to just day-to-day intel. When we spent some time with ReBiz, they were able to dissect the information, not only to who is your buying customer, who is your buying group, who is your selling individual, meaning our employee, then down to how long they were with them, and then intertwining with our point of sale, saying what kind of quality return did we get on that, down to what we call conversion rates of closing a sale, GP per smartphone, GP per customer, and taking all that information, Chris, and then giving it back to us and allowing us to figure out how much labor can we afford, per the volume that are walking through this door, letting us dissect that, and then almost handing it back to them, and then kind of doing some research using their algorithms and educating us on what we call labor allocation. And that was the game changer, because nobody could touch that. Nobody can sit down and explain to us how much labor we should use, how many, almost, at this point, they're working with us on amount of time to be open. So store hours of operation with the labor allocated, with the right people in the right space at the right time, with the right amount of customers. It really allowed us to reshape our company. And over the time spent with them, we talk about return on investment. There's not another third-party program that we work with that came even close to enhancing our margin of return than ReBiz. It's not even close.